This is my Alpha 147 2002 2-litre twin spark. I have a miss on idle and accelerating. I'll see if I can start it. I'm not sure, you should be able to hear it. Okay, some time back I had a miss, and when I pulled out the coil, you'll find that this had burnt away the insulation here and just was all burnt up. So I went to the wreckers and I bought a whole complete unit and replaced it. Now I have another miss as in this film. Test my compression, poke that down there. The compression tester. So I bought $40. So I removed all the coils for the plugs. Oh. This is where I've linked all the earth from the 8 plugs to earth so that I can turn the engine over and watch for sparks on the spark plugs, each of the 8 spark plugs. Okay, there we go. Purring like a kitten. And the culprit was the coil. That fella there. Looks perfect, but stuck on the inside. Intermittent on the inside. My car has 4 of them. I checked the valves with the compression tester and everything was fine. So then I changed the coil and the plug one at a time. There's 4 of them. And as you believe, it was the last one that I changed that fixed it. Always has to be the last one, doesn't it? Anyway, all go. Thanks for watching.